guys, welcome back to the channel. Dave Mazzei Formula. So I'm out here at Speedsouth Performance Center. This is Cameron Musgrove's shop. This is their new location, which is in Alabaster, Alabama. There's a bunch of awesome shops out here. Got Tommy's powder coating shop out here, Benny's speed shop, all kinds of stuff. They got a sweet Mustang dyno, and today we're gonna be tuning Grant Snyder's car. He's a good friend of mine in the Birmingham area. There's not a whole lot of rotary guys around here, and he's one of the few, man, and super dedicated, awesome car. I think he's got a big turbo on it. Garrett GTX42, built by Reed in Birmingham. We've got a Haltech Elite on the car, E85, big intake manifold, bunch of custom work from Walker Morgan, super gnarly intake, piping, and the Justin Linder clamps, all kinds of cool stuff. So yeah, we'll see if we can't make some power on the dyno today. Sitting in the rig here, I can't reach the freaking pedals.
Dude, I don't ever sit it right here.
Damn, you're tall, bro. I can't even reach the pedals. I have to like gangster lean in this thing. Keep this clutch down. Clutch feels good.
Yeah, it is. I like the clutch.
I like it. So we got a little gauge cluster here, the AEM, Defy boost gauge, water temp, oil pressure, EWP.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. All right, so we're just gonna roll like we're on the highway. We're not gonna do any power pulls. We got the vehicle sim mode loaded where it puts a little bit of load as if we're on the street. Kind of takes into account like the aero drag that you'd have on the highway. We're just gonna get in fourth gear, just roll on and off, check everything, and you know, we'll slowly creep up into the boost. He's gonna watch, make whatever changes we need to make. We'll go over it together, and then once we feel comfortable, we're gonna let out, and we're gonna set the dyno up for a power pull, and then we're gonna log it through the dyno, and that's when we're gonna come back and look at the curve and make some changes and start moving up on the power, turn the boost up. Woo! You hear that turbo? Damn, that turbo's loud. Transient stuff there, feels good. We're rolling at about 50%. Ready? What's that freaking all about? Don't worry about it. Yeah, don't worry about it. Alright, so we're gonna hold about 3,500, and I'm just gonna go just a little bit on the throttle, about 50%, and see what it does. We're going to try to target 25, see if we can't pick up another 50 horsepower. Yeah, add some more duty cycle to it. Go up about 2 more, go up 2 more %. Bring that from 17 to 19. Yes, sir. All right, we're going to go again. We're going up on boost. Ready? Ready? Like 23, 24. Fuck yeah.
That was 500.
500.
Yeah, that's 500.
200.
Hell yeah.
And that's more, guys. This is a Mustang dyno, so we've literally done back-to-back runs on the dyno jet. It's literally 10% behind, so that's almost, you know, 550 almost.
That's what it actually makes.
Fuck yeah. It's not gonna blow up. I'm watching the boost gauge. I'll let out if it gets crazy. You got the overboost set for 5 psi above.
Yeah, and that overboost cut set even higher than that.
Okay,
so
we're good.
we're not gonna even.
Ready?
Yeah.
27 psi. Fucking amazing, man. 5 or 6 spools, the thing's already dialed in. He did a good job on this car.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Quick, easy, and smooth.
Look at that air-fuel ratio.
Only thing that's gonna stop me is the engine or hitting a number.
Oh my god. Dude, you're badass. This is fucking awesome. Nothing goes this easy. Knock on wood, dude.
It's taken me a long time to grow the nuts to do this.
Dude, I'm so
It's
sorry
to be right.
This makes me so happy.